Welcome, today in front of me POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on auto system updates on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just will go to the about phone section, and first we should just enable the developer options on our device. So now just here we'll see the new version, and now just we have to keep tapping to see the message that we are now in a developer mode. So now we'll go back and scroll down to the additional settings, and here you'll see the developer options section. Just tap there and scroll a little bit more down, and here, as can you see, we got the automatic system updates, and in my case that's just turned on. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here once on the switcher and you will just disable your automatic system updates. And if you want to just turn again your automatic system updates, just tap once again on the switcher, and when you'll get some system updates, your device will make it automatically. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.